At CES 2019, the flagship device that Nubia has been showing off is the Nubia Red Magic Mars. It's a flagship gaming device that's going to be costing around $400. But the company is also showing off the Nubia X, which, as you can see, looks a little bit different. There's no front-facing camera on this device, and that's because there's a 5.1-inch display on the back of the phone, which allows you to take pictures with the rear dual camera. The camera sensors on the back of the phone are 16 and 24 megapixels, allowing you to take incredible selfies without having to have a downgraded camera experience with that front-facing camera that most devices actually have. On the inside of the phone, you get a Snapdragon 845 processor like you do on most other flagship devices. You have the option of 6 and 8 gigabytes of RAM, and then storage capabilities between 64 and 512 gigabytes. As far as pricing goes, the Nubia X starts at about $550, but again, this is only available in China, and the company has no plans as of right now to release it in Europe or other markets around the globe. One of the other cool features that's enabled by having a screen on the front and back of the phone is advanced multitasking, since the device allows you to have two applications opened at the same time. You can be playing a game or watching a video on the front display and then flip the phone over and have a messaging application open if you're chatting with friends or family. It's a nice little touch that adds something more than just being able to use the camera on the back. And as you can see, you can also use the back display to customize the device as well. You can put the time, different types of text on the back, and there are a lot of different templates that you can actually use for this. While it's kind of disappointing that you can't buy this in European markets and North America, it's a proof of concept really to show what Nubia is actually working on, and we might actually see something similar to this coming later in 2019 as a flagship device with the latest Snapdragon processor and availability in other markets as well. For more coverage from CES 2019, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out Phandroid.com as well for all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.